Hello friends, welcome back to Knowledge Hub and my name is Malaviya. Today we will learn about how we can make question kind of sentences. Suppose we have to make questions, then how we can make questions. Then there are few things by which we can make questions like what, how, when, which and so many things. So let's start from our first thing, what. How can you make question with what? For an example, what is your name? This is how you can make question with what. What is your name? What is the name of this city? What is the name of your father? This is how you can make question with what. Suppose you want to make question with who, then how can you make? Then you can make question like who are you? Okay. Next thing we can see like who is the father of Shyam? Okay, this is how you can make question through who. Who is the owner of this house? Who is the owner of this institute? Who is the owner of this school? So many things you can make through who. Next thing we will see how. Suppose you have to make question with how. It's like how can you do this? How old are you? This is how you can make question with how. Next thing we will see which. Which means you ask for choice generally. Just like which is your favorite movie, which is your favorite song. Okay. Which book are you reading? This kind of sentence we can make through which. Next thing you will see when. Suppose you want to make question with when. Then you can make sentence like when do you revise your lesson? When will you complete your work? When will you come? Okay, this is how you can make question with when. Now next thing you will see where generally used for place. Okay, where are you? Where do you work? Okay, where is your home city? This is how you can make question with where. From where did you buy your shirt? Okay, this is how you can make question with where. Now we will see why. How can you make question with why? Why means why do you drink milk? Why did you do this job? Okay, this is how you can make question with why also. So in today's class we have seen how you can make question with what, who, when, which, where, why. Okay, I hope you understood the concept. If you have any doubt you can simply write it to comment box. Thank you.